Imagine having a single tool that replaces an entire survival kit. Meet the Adventure 3.0 multi-tool. Weighing only 39 grams in its titanium version, this compact powerhouse is small enough to fit in your pocket, but versatile enough to tackle multiple tasks. Need a knife? Got it. An axe? Check. A spear, sundial, fire starter, and wrench? It does all that too. Whether you're cutting, chopping, fixing, or starting a fire, this tool has you covered. Designed for campers, hikers, and survivalists, it's built to last and ready for any challenge. Unlike bulky toolkits, this lightweight and durable gadget saves space without sacrificing functionality. Perfect for emergencies, it ensures you're prepared for anything, whether you're deep in the wilderness or on a casual camping trip. And the best part? It's available for just $45, a small price to pay for an all-in-one survival essential. If you love adventure but don't want to give up comfort, the AlphaGo S6 camping trailer is the perfect solution. This rugged and compact trailer is built to tackle rough terrains like mud, rocks, and potholes, thanks to its 8-blade leaf spring suspension and 265mm all-terrain tires. At first glance, it looks like a small single-axle trailer measuring 4.7 meters by 1.9 meters by 1.6 meters, making it easy to tow. But once you reach your campsite, the S6 expands, adding a meter in length and 2.5 meters in height, creating enough space for 6 people to relax and sleep comfortably. It's not just about space, it's packed with features. The built-in kitchenette lets you cook fresh meals on the go, while the HD projection system with a 60-inch screen ensures entertainment under the stars. Whether you're camping in the mountains or exploring the wild, Aquaforno. Love outdoor cooking? Meet Aquaforno, the all-in-one barbecue, pizza oven, and fire pit that makes cooking outside easier and more fun. Whether you're grilling burgers, baking a pizza, or just enjoying a warm fire, this compact and portable cooker has you covered. Its 3-tier telescopic design lets you adjust the height based on what you're cooking. Need full functionality? Expand it all the way. Want to pack it up? Collapse it down for easy storage and transport. But the coolest part? It heats water while you cook. A built-in hot water reservoir ensures you always have warm water ready for making tea, coffee, cleaning up, or preparing food. No extra effort needed. Perfect for camping, backyard barbecues, and road trips. Aquaforno is lightweight, easy to use, and designed for adventure lovers. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors without the hassle of carrying multiple appliances. A Zengear repair patches. The quick and easy fix for unexpected rips and tears. Whether it's your raincoat, umbrella, backpack, or even a down jacket, these self-adhesive waterproof patches make repairs fast and effortless. The set includes 11 durable patches, with the largest measuring 5 by 8 centimeters, perfect for small tears or larger damage. No need for sewing, ironing, or special tools. Just push back any filling, peel off the patch, stick it on, and press firmly. Within seconds, your gear is as good as new. Designed for outdoor adventurers, travelers, and everyday users, this lightweight and portable kit easily fits into your backpack or pocket, so you're always prepared for emergencies. Campdor Pocket Chainsaw, a mighty saw in your pocket. Who knew a chainsaw could fit in your pocket? This lightweight yet powerful tool is perfect for outdoor adventures. It weighs just 226 grams, making it easy to carry on your belt or in a backpack. Despite its small size, it's incredibly strong. One user even tested it on a tree on a steep slope, and it held firm without breaking. Designed for campers, hikers, and survivalists, this pocket chainsaw can quickly cut through branches and small logs, helping you build a fire or clear a path with ease. It's a must-have for emergencies, giving you a reliable cutting tool whenever needed. For just $30, this saw offers strength, portability, and convenience. Whether you're setting up camp, exploring the wilderness, or just want a handy tool for unexpected situations, this compact chainsaw won't let you down. Easy to use, tough, and ready for action. It's in packing for a camping trip. Hideaway's collapsible camp bowls make it easier by saving space without sacrificing convenience. These lightweight, foldable bowls and cups are designed to fit seamlessly into any backpack, making them perfect for outdoor adventures. The 0.9 Neeler bowl folds down to just 2.5 centimeters thick, making storage effortless. Whether you need a sturdy bowl for a hot meal or a reliable cup for your morning coffee, these durable and compact options have got you covered. Of course, quality gear comes at a cost. A single bowl starts at $20, and a complete set can go up to $550. While it may seem like a splurge, for those who appreciate smart, space-saving camping gear, it's a worthwhile investment. If you love road trips and camping, the Kama Crosswing is the perfect car awning for you. Unlike regular awnings that take time to set up, this one deploys in just 3 seconds. No poles, no hassle, just instant shade and protection. Its X-frame design makes it super strong, so it can handle winds up to 25 miles per hour and heavy rain without collapsing. Plus, you can adjust the length to 2 feet, 4 feet, or 6.5 feet, depending on how much coverage you need. Whether you're out camping, tailgating, hiking, or just relaxing in your backyard, the Crosswing gives you instant protection from the sun and rain. Lightweight and easy to use, it's perfect for picnics, sporting events, or beach trips, making every outdoor moment more comfortable. No more struggling with complicated setups. Just pull it out and you're good to go. At just $199.95, the Crosswing is an affordable and game-changing addition to your outdoor gear. Eno Double Nest Hammock. Love relaxing outdoors? The Eno Double Nest Hammock is your perfect adventure companion. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and super comfy, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking. Setting it up is effortless thanks to its specially designed carabiners, which let you securely hang it from trees or other supports in seconds. These carabiners also help distribute weight evenly, making the hammock extra stable and durable. Made from soft yet tough fabric, it provides a cozy spot for 1 or even 2 people to kick back and relax. One of its coolest features is the built-in stuff sack, which makes packing quick and hassle-free. Plus, it doubles as a small pocket, so you can keep essentials like your phone, keys, or snacks within reach while you chill. Whether you're lounging at a campsite, resting on a mountain trail, or just enjoying your backyard, this hammock makes every moment more relaxing. The ensuite shower system is a game changer for outdoor showers, offering both comfort and practicality. Instead of dealing with muddy or uneven ground, this portable shower floor is made of bamboo slats that feel smooth underfoot. But there's more. The slats hide a built-in water collection system, so excess water doesn't pool around your feet. The collected water can be reused for other campsite needs or easily removed, keeping your area clean and dry. This makes showering outdoors feel more refreshing and convenient, whether you're deep in the wilderness or on a glamping trip. For those already investing in a high-end portable shower, upgrading to the ensuite is a smart move. It's priced at $251, adding a spa-like touch to your camping experience while keeping things efficient and eco-friendly. EXED Monolith, a tent like no other. If you love camping and futuristic gear, the XDEB Monolith is the ultimate one-person tent designed for all 4 seasons. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, resembling a high-tech pod, but it's built for real outdoor adventures. Made with carbon fiber elements and inspired by kite wings, this tent is lightweight yet incredibly strong. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, it's easy to carry and perfect for hikers, campers, and explorers who value both durability and portability. The best part? Setting it up takes just 15 seconds, making it one of the fastest pitching tents on the market. At $858, it's definitely a premium option. But if you're looking for a high-tech, all-weather shelter that offers both style and function, this tent is worth it. Plus, with a promo code, you get free shipping, making it an even better deal. Gerber ExoMod, the perfect tool set for hunters, campers, and outdoor adventurers. Instead of buying separate knives and saws, you can now build your own customized set with the ExoMod system. The Exomod sheath is designed for standalone use, but the real magic is that you can attach multiple tools together. Whether you need a knife, a saw, or both, you can mix and match to create the perfect setup for your next adventure. Each tool features a unique skeleton-shaped handle, making it easy to identify and connect compatible gear. Built from affordable yet durable Chinese steel, the Exomod series delivers great performance without breaking the bank. For example, a knife with a sheath comes at a budget-friendly price, making it a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable, high-quality tools. Whether you're hunting, camping, or preparing for survival, this lightweight modular system gives you everything you need in one compact package. Lockhart Tactical 12 Status, a compact and powerful alarm system designed to keep campers safe in the wild. Built from the ground up, this device offers flexible configurations to adapt to different threats, making it a must-have for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or setting up a tent in the wilderness, the Status system provides instant security. You can load it with flares or special ammunition to scare off wild animals like bears and boars, keeping you and your campsite protected. It's also versatile. You can choose to activate it manually or set it up for automatic response, depending on your situation. Despite its high-level protection, the basic kit is pocket-sized, making it easy to carry anywhere without adding extra weight to your gear. The best part? It's affordable at just $75, giving you peace of mind without breaking the bank. Machete knives. If you love action movies, these machetes will remind you of the ones wielded by fearless heroes. First up, the M48 Ops Combat Bowie, a 41-centimeter beast designed for chopping, sawing, and cutting. With a strong, reinforced handle, it's built for serious action, whether in survival situations or outdoor adventures. Then there's the Spadel 5, a modern take on a Soviet rescue knife. It's packed with 5 cutting edges, including a saw and a sling cutter. It even has a special recess to help move pots and features a double-sided handguard for extra safety. No wonder collectors love it. Last but not least, the Tiger N Machete, crafted from Japanese AUS-8 steel with a razor-sharp convex edge for effortless slicing. It's tough, reliable, and perfect for heavy-duty use. If you're thinking about getting one, the M48 Ops Combat Bowie costs $95, while the Spadel 5 and Tiger N machetes are around $55 each. MFH Bucksaw, a compact, lightweight saw that's perfect for both outdoor adventures and home projects. Whether you're camping, hiking, or working in the garden, this saw makes cutting wood quick and effortless. Weighing just 400 grams, the MFH Bucksaw is easy to carry and store. It comes with 2 320mm long blades, giving you the flexibility to handle different cutting tasks. Despite its small size, it's strong enough to cut through branches and logs with ease. The best part? It's affordable. You can grab this saw or a similar one for as low as $20, while high-end models go up to $99. That means you don't have to spend a fortune to get a durable, reliable cutting tool for your next adventure or home project. Whether you're building a campfire, trimming trees, or doing DIY work, this saw is a must-have. The Nebula Mars 3 is the perfect outdoor projector for movie lovers and adventurers alike. It brings the big screen experience anywhere, projecting a 100-inch Full HD 1x20 by 1080 display with 1000 ANSI lumens of brightness for a clear, vibrant picture, even outside. Its powerful 185 Wh battery keeps the fun going for up to 5 hours on a single charge, so you can enjoy a full movie marathon under the stars. Whether you're at a campsite, in your backyard, or on a road trip, this projector is built to handle it all. The Nebula Mars 3 is designed for portability and convenience, making it easy to set up and use anywhere. Just grab your snacks, set up your screen, and enjoy a cinematic experience like never before. The Nomad Kitchen is the perfect solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This portable kitchen setup turns any camping trip into a gourmet experience, giving you everything you need in a compact, travel-friendly design. It features a pull-out system with a sink, a prep area. The Paxis backpack takes convenience to the next level with its swing-out bottom compartment. No more taking off your backpack just to grab something. Simply pull the handle, and the lower section swings forward, giving you instant access to your essentials. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or capturing the perfect shot, this design keeps everything within easy reach. The swing compartment holds up to 2.3 kilograms, while the 30L main backpack provides plenty of storage for all your gear. It features multiple pockets, a ventilated back panel for comfort, and a waist strap for better weight distribution. Built for adventurers who value efficiency, this backpack makes organizing and retrieving items faster and hassle-free. At $200, $130 with discounts, it's pricier than a standard backpack, but its smart, patented design justifies the cost.